What's up, everybody? Today I wanted to tell you why I haven't been posting a lot, and I'm gonna try to do it in 3 or 4 takes maximum, because whenever I edit on my laptop, which is a piece of crap, it crashes. And that's the reason why I haven't been posting the past month, because I actually managed to edit a few videos, like I think 2, with proxies, but I'm not able to export them, because every time I export them my computer crashes. I'm already out of breath. Yeah, anyways, I'm here in Florianopolis. It's not what I expected. It's not that I don't like it. I really love the beauty of it. The weather is amazing here. The past week it's been only sun and almost no clouds. As you can see, the view is just simply incredible. It's really nice. But the one thing I don't like about Florianopolis is the people, mainly. I find it super difficult to make friends here. Thankfully, I have one friend here, and I just met 2 new people the other day, which is nice. I went out with one of them yesterday. Super nice evening. Everything went well. But Rio de Janeiro, for example, it's another story, and I'm regretting a little bit staying this long here. I've also been, I didn't tell you this, but I've been sick the past few days. I've had like 39 fever. I thought it might be COVID, but it wasn't. In the end, it was just some kind of infection. And yeah, as I was saying, I'm regretting a little bit staying this long here in Florianopolis. Thankfully, I managed to shorten my stay here until the 14th January, because I actually had an apartment booked for the whole month of January here in Lagoa, and I regret that so much. I tried to cancel the booking, but it was non-refundable. How stupid of me, I know, to book non-refundable booking stays. But that's what happened. And thankfully I talked to the host, and she agreed to shorten my stay without charging me the extra money. And I managed to shorten the stay until the 14th of January. Yes. So right now I have, from the 14th of January until the 2nd of February, I have time to explore Brazil, the parts I really want to explore. I'm thinking about going to Fortaleza, Salvador probably, Nordeste in general, Northeast, which is the part where the people are the friendliest. At least that's what Brazilians tell me, and I'm really looking forward to that, because it's getting a little bit boring here, always the same. I get why Brazilians really like Florianopolis. They like it because it's super safe, and they value safety so much. But for me, I'm from Europe, safety is not a concern. I don't appreciate it as much as Brazilians, let's put it that way. And yeah, this video is already pretty long probably. I don't know if I managed everything in one take. You're probably bored out of your mind. If you're not, leave a thumbs up. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna post more videos. Probably if I'm gonna post them, it's gonna be like this, one takes, my thoughts about something, some place. Yeah, let me know what would you want to know about, see about. I might do things like this, one takes, or yeah, just really simple videos where there is not much edit. Hopefully this video goes up in a few days. It's the 27th of December. I had to reshoot the whole last part because I was just talking, ranting and going nowhere. So thank you very much for watching, guys. I wish you a late Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, Happy New Year. I hope you get to accomplish everything you want to in 2022. And yeah, if you wanna keep on following my journey, subscribe, like the video if you did, and I will see you the next time. Florianopolis is still a pretty nice place. I sort of painted it like it was a shithole, but it's still paradise, you know. But yeah, just the people, that's what I don't like here. That's it. Bye guys. Sorry for the second outro. Bye. Serious.